Come along with Arun, let's play and see. Letters come alive from A to Z. Twin A is for apple, shiny and red. Arun points and smiles.
Let's learn, he said.
Log B is for ball, bouncing high. Up and down it flies in the sky. C is for cat, fluffy and sweet. Soft little paws and tiny feet. D is for dog, wag wag tail. Happy friend who loves to play. D is for elephant, big and tall. Splashing water, fun for all. F is for fish, swim so free. Bubbles dancing in the sea. G is for grapes, purple and round. Juicy treats that we have found. H is for house, cozy and bright. Full of laughter, warm delight. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. Melting sweetness you can hold. J is for juice, sip sip hooray. Fresh and tasty every day. J is for kite, flying high. Dancing softly in the sky. L is for lion, roar out loud. Strong and brave, standing proud. N is for milk, drink it up. Healthy and strong in every cup. J is for nest in the tree. Baby birds chirp happily. O is for orange, round and bright. Full of sunshine, full of light. P is for pizza, cheesy delight. Yummy slice, one more bite. Q is for queen, crown on head. Arun plays royal just like we said. R is for rabbit, hop hop fast. Jumping through the grass so vast. S is for sand, castles we make. By the beach, near the lake. T is for tree, tall and green. Nature's beauty, calm and serene. U is for umbrella in the rain. Splashing puddles again and again. G is for van, driving by. Zooming fast with a trip for a vibe. S is for wave.
Hello, my friend.
Smiles and fun that never end. X marks the treasure, find the spot. Adventure time, X marks the dot. I makes for yo-yo, up and down. Spinning fast all around. G is for zebra, stripes so bright. Walking in the sunset light.
For more videos, please subscribe.